my 10-tech Model 1253 9-band receiver. Run the 75-meter amateur radio band.
Really interesting to watch it, but Katrina did the same identical thing as Isaac. The eye of it came up here and rested right over Missouri, and just dumped a lot of rain on it. The same way. Over.
I built this around the year 2000 or so. It's been sitting on the shelf for a lot of years. I didn't think it'd work. Nothing's corroded in it, but they did have a problem when they came out with these. I wish it just had a rotary knob to change the bands, because this has a little board in there with the button to switch bands, band switching. And they came up with a fix with a capacitor across there, and it still has the same problem. When you press this, sometimes it skips. You got to go through several times to get to the band you want. It's really the only major complaint I've ever had about it. They came up with a fix, and it just wasn't good enough. And I know it's picky when this button is. When you set how you push that button, you don't want it to push it too long, too hard. I went through all that. on it. But even if I had to fidget with that, it's still fun to play with. Your RF gain, regeneration, fine tune, lamp I'm using here is not the greatest, and volume. Your regeneration is when you're on sideband, you have to inject the signal. If I turn this down, if they talk long enough, you won't pick up the sideband. That's the simplest way I can explain it. Inject the signal so you can get your sideband. I'm trying to explain it simply. I go through all the technical, look it all up. I know that's what it does. So if you find AM stations on shortwave, like broadcast stations, you have to keep this turned down or it'll just squeal. You'll pick up somebody, like a regular radio station, AM. You have to make sure to keep that backed off because it'll really squeal.
There's a lot of them around, and you should be able to find
This is what sideband does. It speeds up, slows down.
Anyway, I wish it would work on here. Look for the right one. The one that, you can teach it how you want it to be from the time it's small on out. A lot of times the mistake is you get one that's almost all,
you get the idea.
Almost grown.
But there's just so many bands going up and down. You get some AM, that's why you hear all the extra squeaks, everybody else in there. Then you get some AM, it'll throw a carrier and you'll just get a whistle. Just a constant whistle in there from the AM carrier.
And
2 o'clock in the morning on Labor Day. You can tell I'm bored. But there is a few more videos on YouTube of these. You can go to 10tech. They have a new one with digital receiver I'm thinking about building. It looks like a mobile radio. I'm thinking about building it next year. Because it gets in the winter time. Way more complicated than this. I'd show the inside of this, but all you'll see is the batteries. And the battery's in the way of the circuit board. So if the batteries weren't in the way, I'd show the inside of this. It's not too hard to build. But thanks for watching. Happy Labor Day.